Hey guys, welcome to Akash Classics. Today we've got a deal for you. That's what normally this guy says.
Yes.
He begins his video to say, welcome to Akash Classics. Today we've got a deal for you. But unfortunately, all these cars are not for you because these are his personal collection. And we are looking at this collection over here. Beautiful place in Ipoh. I grew up in Ipoh. So for me to see things in Canning Garden, in the area, it's just fantastic. Akash, hi.
Hi, welcome. Welcome, Thana.
Okay, man.
Welcome your team. Great guys, great show, guys. Welcome to my showroom and have a look at all the cars around. Some cars are parked outside because we're preparing for the gentleman's drive on Sunday. So, guys, this is what we have. Even for kids, you can also enjoy.
Yeah. So Chiang is looking at the camera now. We are saying that let's bring an EV. We drove the Audi Q8, Audi Q8 e-tron 55 Sportback. 50 Sportback. Okay, 50. Oh, this is the 50. Okay, so Audi Q8 e-tron 50 over here, and it's the only EV that is over here, but it's wrong because it's another EV there. Look at that.
Yes.
He's got a Lamborghini EV, guys.
EV.
How cool is that? You know, this is a Segway Nimbot kind of edition, and this is a Lamborghini edition, so it's got more hot power because it's yellow.
Yeah. And we also have the Mitsuoka here.
Yeah.
This is based on a Mazda MX-5 NA.
If you thought a Mazda MX-5 is crazy on tracks and nimble, this is crazy.
Let me show you the engine.
Yeah.
Here we go. You can see this has got a 1.8 liter MX-5 NA engine on it.
Yeah. Check out the front end, man.
Yes.
You know, MX-5, the suspension bits, you know, you got to really tweak the car to make it like something magnificent. But this one is so wide. It's got, you know, your wishbone. You've got, look at the track behind. Look how wide it is. It's mad.
Yes, correct. It's wide.
Extremely wide. And I'm sure while driving the car, MX-5 is probably somewhere around. You're sitting somewhere here. But how did the car go so far back?
Meaning?
Because it feels almost like a. I mean, the front is so long.
The back is very short.
Yeah.
Yes.
How? The firewall is here.
Correct. It's
So
something custom made by them actually.
So I got a feeling that the chassis is MX-5,
Yes.
but something's been done to the car to make this.
Even, yes.
Yeah.
You can see there's an extension in the front actually, you see.
Oh.
You see it's still here, right? You see it's been extended slightly.
I see.
Yep.
Yeah. So cool. And obviously you got the Bond car there.
You also have the
the Mission Impossible car.
Mission Impossible
So
Fiat
we
500.
saw the footage.
Yes.
Is it TGV or is it
GSC.
GS Cinema?
Yes.
Yeah. So they took his car wrapped in yellow.
Yes.
And this was on display in GSC because mission is not impossible for Akash.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is what?
This is a 1927 Austin 7. So if you realize, right, they're using cloth on top, but this cloth cannot be opened. If you see from inside, you see, it cannot be opened. Okay, why is it so that they're using cloth instead of metal? Because 1927 there's World War II, and the shortage of metal.
Oh my God!
Yes, so they had to use cloth instead of metal.
I see. So it's like resin and whatever
because there was shortage of metal worldwide, so they had to use cloth.
How cool is that?
Yes.
And obviously, signal indicator is manual.
It'll flip out.
And this is the vents, I assume.
Correct.
Because I guess where these cars were made or used, getting heat out of the car was more important than getting cold air into the car.
Correct, exactly.
So it's a hot air exit vent.
Yep.
Yeah.
Motorbike tire, yes, it is.
It is it?
Motorbike tires.
Wow.
The old motorbike Triumph, they're using this kind of tires.
So now we are outside the compound of his house. Not a house, it's a showroom, isn't it?
Showroom.
It's not a showroom, it's a museum. Not a museum. This is a repository of men's dreams. And we've got some classics here: MGA, MGTD, TC, and obviously the all beautiful Miata.
MX-5, yep.
Yeah. Whew. Shocks.
So this is the Mark 1.
Okay.
The Mark 1, there's no handle.
Just taking there for a while. My God, look at that. The lines are so clean.
Correct.
The handle. Oh my god. How do you open the car? Here? No.
Good. How do you think? Jump inside?
Wait. Let me figure this out. It can't be here. It can't be here. This is probably.
Where do you think?
This is probably for some latch for your
Correct.
roof.
Okay, it's here, over here. Here.
Inside.
It's this here.
Oh,
It's a small, tiny cable.
I see. It's a cable there.
Yes,
Okay.
it's the cable. So to open it, just have to pull it out.
You see, it's amazing that they prioritize the car's aesthetics more than functionality. The car
Correct.
must look beautiful.
Correct.
There you go. It's the latch there. So cool. This windscreen is not going to help anybody,
Yep.
but I guess it's functional.
There is a
Rearview mirror?
windscreen over here, but we have removed it.
Oh, there's a, okay.
Yes.
And you put it,
So, yes, so we put that and we call it a Brooklands mirror.
I see.
Yes.
And look at that rearview mirror. How cool is that? Look how big it is. Very, very cool. Very, very
Yes.
cool. Okay. Unfortunately, none of the cars here are for sale now because all of Akash's car gets sold. And so all these cars you see here are his private collections.
So this is the MGTC. You should have a look at
Yeah.
the engine.
Look at this. Oh, this pops up this way.
Yes.
And it's like a double folded.
Yes.
Hinge,
you
isn't
you
it?
can even fold the windscreen down if you want.
Okay.
And then to... It's a bit hot. 1 second.
It's hot. It's hot.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Have a look at the engine.
Wow. Wow, wow. K&I filter.
Yes, that's one thing.
I'm trying to make sense what is what now. I mean, I've seen engines, but I'm trying to say this is what. This is the fuel.
It's the carburetors.
It's a carburetors.
Carburetors.
Okay.
Twin cup.
Oh, okay.
Twin cup.
So the fuel line is what here? No.
So do you see this hammer in the car? Most of MG owners will keep this. It's a rubber hammer. It's not to beat people. It's to tighten your spinners because whenever you drive it, spinners will get loose sometimes. So whenever you drive it, every day just get it tighter and drive it. It's for your own safety. This is for your safety, not for other people's safety.
This is pretty much F1 technology here.
F1.
F1 technology, right?
F1.
Very, very cool. Tires are still available, or?
Yes, these are all brand new tires.
Yeah, I saw that. Brand new tires.
These are all brand new tires. Tires cost 450 euros each.
Wow.
Yes.
At least they make them.
Yeah.
That's the fuel tank.
It's a fuel tank, correct. It's a very small fuel tank. But the fuel tank is about 70 ringgit, although it's small. It's
Okay.
70 ringgit. So yeah. And this is our iconic Mercedes Benz here. There's 26 in the world. Right hand drive 250 SE. And 712 left hand drive for 250 and SE. Yes. The other models, they have many, but 250 SE's right hand drive, there's only 26 made in the world by Mercedes Benz. And this is one of it.
Wow. You got to imagine the car, the top down. Look at the
Yes.
lines. My God.
Yes.
Gorgeous.
This is the old majestic beauty lah. And then this is the SL 107.
Love the interior. The
Yes.
seats are amazing.
Yes.
Tartan seats.
And this is the 993 C2S.
I love my Porsche, obviously.
This is Bobby's and Thana's favorite always.
This is what Bobby wants, lah. See, look at that. This is what Bobby is after. This is the look that Bobby is after. You know, to go for this really clean line. You know, to me, this is the pinnacle of Porsche.
Yes.
Porsche 911. This is the best looking Porsche out there. Porsche 911. This is it. This is nothing gets better than this.
And this is the interior.
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Here we go.
Yeah. And classic old Porsches have got this. This is cutaway, straight dash, very clean. And this is pretty modern fact.
Yes, correct.
Because this is like the last
Correct. Last air cool.
last air cool.
Last air cool.
So you've got, you see, electric seats. This car looks really like a classic car, but look at that, electric seats.
Electric seats
So
and
you have a
all.
lot of modern comfort features here.
Yep.
But yet has got that old school classic look.
Correct. And then we have something special here, the Volkswagen Beetle. This is not a normal Beetle, this is a convertible Beetle, original convertible. This is a 1302 LS. Comes originally 1.6 litre engine in it. The number plate JJ2222 came together with this car.
What I always like about Beetles are your sitting position, how
Yes.
you are,
Yes.
and then the whole stick shift feel to it, and obviously you got the windows here to give you cooling.
Yes.
Beautiful. And we've got video out on the Kijang. Check out the video
Yes.
separately. Again, very rare Kijang, Toyota Kijang from Indonesia.
Yep, this
Some
is
guy
rare.
was brave enough to import it into Malaysia.
Yep. I think this is the one and only in Malaysia, if I'm not
Yeah.
wrong. I may be wrong, but I believe it's the only one in Malaysia.
I never seen one in Malaysia.
Yeah, I've never seen one in Malaysia.
Yeah. My dad had a Kombi.
This car is our project car. We haven't destroyed it yet. This is a low light combi. The lights are below. Normally the signal is supposed to be on top here, but this is low light. This will be restored soon. And this is our stretch, 140 stretch.
I saw. Look at that thing on top there. Astro.
That's the Astro, correct?
My God.
Yep.
How baller is that?
Yes.
Astro on the go.
Yep.
This is where it came from. Astro on the go.
Astro on the go. Yeah. So these are the cars here we have.
And I love the interior on this one.
Yes.
It's just mint. Look at that. Look at that. This is like out of someone's drawing or some painting or
This is my father's first car.
it's amazing.
Yeah, so that's why it's a sentimental value to me.
And they're like real racing seat.
Yep.
Beautiful. Beautiful. So again, if you're in Ipoh, please come and see Akash.
Thank you. Most welcome.
Unfortunately, today, because business is so good, all your cars get sold.
Yeah.
I can't come and buy a car here because knowing me and my control, I probably would have walked out here with a car. But today wasn't the day because again, no car for sale. But yeah, check out his
Facebook page.
FB page. There's
Yep.
always a car for sale,
Yep.
and there's a WhatsApp group. Join the
Yes.
WhatsApp group. Any new cars coming out, you will be informed.
Yep.
And yeah, buy a car in a bargain because
Don't
I find
mention Thana's name for special discount.
oh,
Yes.
can I mention my name
Yeah.
for me a discount?
The promo code Thana.
Thana, promo code Thana.
Yep.
Okay guys, cheers. See you.
Take care.